HSBC Best Buy List likely to confound DIY investors. HSBC UK's Best Buy list has been called into question, with commentators criticising the number of HSBC's own multi-asset funds as pointless and something that is likely to be confusing for self-directed investors. The Funds Shortlist is aimed at novice self-directed investors, comprises 20 multi-asset funds out of the 279 available via HSBC's Global Investment Centre.HSBC UK head of wealth management James Hewitson said the firm was responding to a clear demand from investors for simple and informative journeys, allowing them to open accounts and invest quickly and efficiently, especially the 46% of new investors who are going it alone without the help of a financial advisor. For those that don't want to spend hours researching the market, we've done the work for them, Hewitson said. Whether you're investing for income or for growth, our Funds Shortlist provides another route to investing in approved HSBC and non-HSBC funds and portfolios. Total charges on the 20 funds range from 0.42% for the HSBC Global Strategy Cautious Portfolio to 1.55% for the Invesco Perpetual Managed Growth Fund. The most expensive vehicle on the list.HSBC funds dominate. List Research Managing Director Clive Waller was skeptical that most of the recommended picks were HSBC's own fund of funds.Fourteen of the shortlisted funds are HSBC's own strategies, save for one each from Schroders, Fidelity, and Invesco, as well as a trio of funds from Threadneedle. I would love to have been a fly on the wall when the researchers were briefed, Waller said. Pointless to be offering 20 funds. B2 Managing Director Graham Bentley thinks that having several funds from the same risk category is likely to confound the end-investor.There. There are 4 balanced funds on HSBC's Best Buy list.HSBC. World Selection is a fund of HSBC funds, while the Global Strategy is a fund of HSBC index funds mixed with some iShares funds, and the Sustainable Multi-Asset funds are a mixture of sustainable funds from HSBC's EIC and SICA ranges. Meanwhile, the Schroder Manager Balanced Fund is also made up of Schroders only funds and is not unfettered like the Invesco, Threadneedle and Fidelity products on the list. How would your average punter differentiate between 4 balanced funds? Bentley asks. What depths of research would a direct investor have to go through to tell whether they wanted to be Global Strategy, World Selection, or whatever? It seems to me pointless to be offering 20, Bentley continued, instead of offering clients one balanced fund, one cautious fund and so on. It's almost like saying, well, we don't want to make the list look too small, so it looks as if you're constrained. So, if we put 20 funds on here, it makes it look like you've got choice. A spokesperson for HSBC defended the firm's good track record of delivering appropriate. For more on this story, visit the news article link.